In this video, let me show you how to use the Chase Everyday Spend category feature. Now, in order to use this feature within the Chase application, there are majorly two ways on how you can do it. Either using the built-in tracking system or the dashboard, which is called the spending planner within Chase, or you can also do it within the targeted credit card multiplier categories, which includes the Chase Freedom Unlimited. So the better way is going to be to use the spending planner. So you should be able to find it within dashboard or within the more options. Once you're inside of the spending planner, you should be able to set up your monthly budget, which includes establishing a plan as well as assigning individual categories. So within the edit budget option, as I said, you'd be able to assign different sort of categories or create different sort of categories that you normally spend on or have daily spending options. So you'd be able to simply add in all of these categories and all of your spending into all of these categories. So this is the exact way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.